Everybody ready?
We did this experiment to push the boundaries of innovation. To prove our cameras can detect any object and perform any action, we turned them into musical instruments. Together, we trained them to recognize different objects that trigger different sounds.
Yeah, I was hesitating for a few moments, actually. To turn Axis cameras into fully playable instruments, we first of all used AI-powered object detection.
After finishing the proof of concept, we chose what objects represent different instruments, and then we trained the camera to detect these objects. To do that, we had to collect some data and see how to improve the model, and then designing how each instrument can be played as a musical instrument. For example, the tennis ball, it was like a lead, so it had different notes, different region of interests in the image. So we had to design this and test it and prove that it works.
I didn't really know what Axis was, and I just heard like this security camera company wanted to make music with surveillance cameras, and it sounded super fun. And I read that it was supposed to be quite technical and I had to work closely with the engineers. And I realized quite quickly it wasn't just about making music for a commercial or like I'm more used to.
So for the first time when I watched the experiment, I thought it was a really fun way to showcase the possibilities of using Axis cameras for more than just traditional security.
The technologies that are used in this experiment range from hardware, such as a fixed box camera, a P13 camera.
And that camera has a built-in ARPIC chipset. And in that chipset, we are using a deep learning-based model to run these AI-based analytics.
We also have MQTT as a messaging protocol to assist with the transportation of the sounds.
The experiment shows what you can do with a customized solution and with the help of Axis professional service team. So you can base it on existing technology, but customize it for very specific tasks.
When I finally got to see the orchestra play, it was amazing, really impressive how it all came together.
We have access to so many different departments, to so many different brains, where we're able to look out of the box and say, yeah, can we do this? So let's try it, because we're not losing anything by trying. The world is our oyster. There are so many things that we can do.